My name is Skitter Kwamboka, aspiring Woman Rep, Kisii County. Today we are gathered here to mark the annual Menstrual Hygiene Day. Actually, I'm a friend to the Girl Guide in Kisii County. So today we have so many children gathered here. We have so many counselors, so many leaders who will be talking to them. So this is something that we want to carry across all schools in our county to end the menstrual poverty. The situation is so bad. Our children miss school because they lack the necessities. That is why we are advocating for free pads in every school. It came to our light that so many school-going children from class 7 are missing school because of pads. We have people living below $1 a day. That is in Kisii County, and it's very unfortunate. So this is what we are going to do in partnership with so many other stakeholders to ensure that thing becomes to an end. When it comes to pads, we have different varieties. We have reusables, and we have the ones that can be used once. So these ones, our motto is to start from one girl at a time. So once we give them the ones that they use once, that one is disposable, you cannot reuse it. But we are coming with so many formulas, so many stakeholders who are willing to work with us, that we come up with a product that is reusable. So though we don't encourage the girls to use because of hygiene purposes, so we are trying to touch every girl. But for now, we are starting with one girl at a time. Actually, it's very unfortunate because that one has been discussed before in Parliament. As we stand today, I believe that pads are the cheapest products that should be given free to every school. From here, we are not going to stop from Kisii University. We are going to face our CS and tell him the importance of having pads in all schools. We know, mostly like in rural areas, where children don't even have exercise books, so you don't expect them to buy pads that are going for 55 shillings. So I encourage and I request the Ministry of Health and the government and the county government to work on that model. Let us have free pads in every school. Today, I'm targeting 1,500 girls.